Hi guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Today we have a very special car with us today. The customer has given us his Bentley Bentayga that he got from New South Wales, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to coat it. We're going to protect the car paint with our Geon Flash, which is one of our better products out there on the market. It's very tough, it's very durable, and it also gives a very good gloss on the paint finish. Today though, our main goal is to tell you the processes of how we are going to coat this car with the 4 main steps that we're going to be doing: deep cleaning, decontamination, paint correction, and also coating the car. The first 3 stages being the most important part is the preparation stages. If you don't prep the car well, the paint is not going to look good because the ceramic coating is actually going to start deteriorating in a faster rate. So the first part is deep cleaning. We're going to clean the car from top to bottom, making sure the car is as clean as possible before we decontaminate the car. I can already start to see a few little bits and pieces that won't wash off during the deep cleaning process. So what we're going to do is we're going to clay bar the car. That's the decontamination process. We're going to get as much contaminants off as possible. The third part is looking for those small scratches and small swirls. We're going to get rid of that as much as possible so that we can get the car back to its factory looks when it first came out of the factory, looking brand new. Now after it looks beautiful with all the scratch removed and all paint corrected, we're going to seal that beauty underneath the Geon coating. The ceramic coating is going to seal that with a layer of crystal so that it will look good for the next 10 years. Now without further ado, let's get to it. Just a quick recap on what we've done today. We looked at the 4 processes of what we do to get your car coated. Number 1, we deep cleaned the car. Number 2, we've got rid of all the contamination with our clay bar when we saw those little bits and pieces. Number 3, we've got rid of those nasty scratches. And finally, we coated the car. Now it's protected, ready to go. Remember guys, just keep it fresh.